We start you off with the Unemployed People of South Africa organization. They led a group of job seekers to Coogan Plastics in Lenasia this morning, and this was to submit their CVs as part of a push for local employment. The group says the initiative is aimed at ensuring South Africans benefit from job opportunities within the communities. It has warned that failure by the company to respond to their demands could result in a shutdown.
Umbutho i-Unemployed People of South Africa ukhokhele iqela labantu abangasebenziyo ukuba baye kwinkampani i-Coogan Plastics ukuyokufaka iimpepha zabo zezicelo zemisebenzi. Elinyathelo lichazwe njengelo lokukhawulelana nezinga eliphezulu lentswela-ngqesho.
Asiqalanga la. On the 17th of March, we had a very huge march khona la eLands where we are fighting unemployment. So uma ngathi uyabheka amakhampani amaningi aba-prioritize South Africans. Bathatha abantu ababuya ngaphandle, more especially futhi kakhulu la eLands, they are taking people from allowance, and then as you can see, young people are not working, so that's what we are fighting. So kungakho size la namhlanje size because of we had a meeting nabo and then savumelana nabo ukuthi size la namhlanje bacela ukuthi singabamasheli, but we must come in peace. So that's why we are here today, and then sibanikeze lama CVs. So we wanted to give them a memorandum as well of grievances from the community, but due to the fact that azange sikhona ukubathola, because we wanted to meet them before today, but azange sikhona ukubathola, but still we're going to give them, because even bebabhadala abantu ngakhona abantu umphakathi uyakhala nangaphatha abasebenzi bayakhala, so we will come back for that.
Xa kusenzeka ukuba iziphumo ingabizezo zilindelekileyo, kukho iinhlelo eziqingqiweyo ukugqithisa umyalezo ongqongqo kule nkampani.
I made sure ukuthi ngiyabatshela ukuthi you're not going to take ama-CV wabantu for the sake of taking ama-CV wabantu, because a lot of companies bathatha ama-CV wabantu kusasa niwathole estradeni, amanye bawathathe bawastore in an HR office, but not our members in this organization. You're not going to take their CVs uwabeke lapho ngazowabekeleni. Banama branches amaningi eRoadport kuphikuphi banama branches amaningi. If they're not going to call labantu laba njengoba bathatha ama CVs wabo, then I and the chairperson, the leadership of the organization, we are going to call the shutdown, the total shutdown of all their branches. It is not only for companies, even the government. There's a money that is called youth wage subsidy that we want to know. Leyo mali iyaphi? Leyo mali le, they are giving it to the companies, and the companies are not employing people. So rather they must plan and bring that money back to the people so that people can get training. So if you can look at these people, most of them are not experienced, but there's a money that comes from the government, a wage subsidy that goes to the companies for skills transfer, skill, but these companies, they are holding into that money.
Lo mbutho umemelela abemibeli ukuba bashukume bame ngeenyawo ukulwela izikhundla zabo kunye namalungelo wabo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eLenasia.